Now, as you can see, we're logged into the editor, and we're going to specifically talk about the Pages button or Pages module. When I choose that, a series of options will come up on the left-hand side. And you can see on the left you have all of your pages. These pages are we'll talk about this in a little bit in a later video about understanding how to set up the page. But right now what I'm going to do is go into a page, clicking Edit Page at the bottom of the screen. And then on the left-hand side there'll be a number of options that you can choose from. Now these options on the left are options that allow you to drag these selections onto the page. And you can see that you can drag text. We'll go over how to drag later, but this is how to add text, how to add a heading, how to add an image inside of a block of text, and how to set up and how to put in a highlight box. Under media, there's a lot of really powerful tools. That includes adding an image by dragging it over, adding a video, slideshow, putting in album links. If you have several different photo albums set up in the photo module and you have them broken out by names of albums, then you can simply drag that in and you'll have all the links showing there that people can just select from, like a mini menu. This is a 3D gallery view, and then you have a photo grid view. Then elements, I keep pushing that button twice, there we go. Elements, you can add buttons to your website. You can put dividers between the content. You can set it up to where people can download documents or presentations or whatever it might be that you want to distribute through your website. This is to set an anchor point in your website so that you can put a button elsewhere on the website, and when you click on that button it will take them directly to that area of the website. This is to create a spacer. This is to adjust the height maybe of a left column to match the right column, so maybe it's balanced and ends at the same point. And then we go to widgets. Widgets include contact forms. We don't use the calendar in the system. We use the calendar automation from the back office, so don't pay attention to the calendar. Blog post, putting in iframes. If you ever wanted to showcase another website within your website, you just drag an iframe, you put in the URL, and voila, you now have content from another website showing from within your website. Very nice feature. Codebox, we use these extensively to programmatically connect your back office application we develop into your web-based editor. And then subscription forms or contact forms, if you will, can go into your site. And then plugins, that includes Facebook plugins. As you can see, you can add like buttons, like boxes, the Google Map, Google AdSense, Site Search, Google Translate. You can set up Twitter in a lot of different ways. And then there's additional ones like a PayPal button. With our enterprise application, all of your checkout systems are built in, so you won't need that, but it's good for you to know in case there was a special page where you wanted to add some kind of a special donation button for maybe a member of your organization. Add this button so people can share your site, social icons, LinkedIn profile link, and so forth.